Hey Jaime and Sue. Hey, just wanted to show you the comparables so you can look at the numbers before we go look at the property today. Just wanted to give you an idea of what is sold over in the area and what's available and pending, just so you could see what the comps are going for as far as being able to make an offer if this is a property that you guys are interested in. So the property that we're talking about is right here over on Orleans Drive, and as you can see, the ones in green are the ones that are available. So the one we're looking at is this one right here for a $459, and the other ones that have sold are in blue. So you can see right here there's one $555, $410, $539, and $470, $470, and then the ones in purple are the ones that are pending in contract right now. And so what I did, just let me show you. So I only did 3 4-bedroom homes between 1,100 and 2,000 square feet. The property we're looking at is almost 1,500 square feet, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. And I only went back to February, so everything is recent, 3-4 months old. And let me show you in details of what those properties were that just sold. So here's the ones. Let me organize them for you real quick. So here's some ones right here that have sold for $555. This one's on Alta Marino Circle. So it's a newer property. Can't, but the Orleans property is 1980, so kind of comparable. This one's a lot larger though, bigger bedrooms, more bathrooms. I actually am the one that sold this property. It was kind of different area as this one. Didn't have, had some views, but not bay views or anything like that. But as you can see, this one sold for $555. Here's one right here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, built in 1990, so a little newer. This one was 1846 square feet. This one sold for $539 back in February. Okay, so you can see how move-in condition it says. Older kitchen though. Looks pretty original from 1990. So here's one. This one looked like it needed a lot of work, and sold for $410. So kind of hard to compare to that one. Here's one that sold for $470. Different kind of home, older, no views, but sold for $470 and it was a lot smaller. Here's another property that sold. This one needed a lot of work. I actually seen this property a while ago. Sold back in March, so that was $420. Here's some other ones. This one sold for $470. This one's kind of in the same kind of area with views of the water. 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. This one's 1,600 square feet, so a little larger, but sold for $470. And this one right here is actually pending, so same kind of views as the one we're looking at, a lot larger, 1881, and sold in 4 days, and was listed for $550. So I could imagine probably went over asking, or they got close to asking, or at asking. Let's look at the condition of this property. Older kitchen. Looks like it's a split level home. So here's one that's pending right now for $505 on Downer. This one's going a little smaller, 3 and 2, but you see it's at $505. Had 2 offers, so imagine that's probably went up a little bit. Here's one pending for $499, a lot smaller. These are older homes, hard to compare. So this gives you a quick idea though of what the values are going for over here. Here's one going for $599, kind of the same area of the Orleans property, and it's a lot larger. So you can see that one. Here's some other ones on Alice Way going for $499. a little larger than the one we're looking at. Here's the one we're looking at. So that gives you an idea. So you can see some properties that are going up over 500, and that one on Cypress that we looked at that needed quite a bit of work but had awesome views of the water, the one that we went to go see, that one actually sold for 580,000. And so kind of the same comparable areas. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys this evening to go look at this property. All right.